Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Barclays Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in barclays.co.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Barclays Bank website. Now from the home page, click on credit cards and then click on login to Barclay card option. This will now take you into the login portal for your credit card. Just enter your username or your ID number within the given box, and you also have the option to use your card number to log in. Just enter your 16-digit card number and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password or your card PIN. Go ahead and enter either one of these credentials and proceed forward with logging in to your credit card, and you will be taken into your card management page. From this page, you will find the option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, then from the home page, click on Contact Us at the top section and then scroll down and click on Contact Us once again. Now, if you scroll down, you will find the online banking chat as well as the Barclays app chat option. There are various different options and methods by which you can get in touch with the support team for Barclays Bank. Choose either one of these options and explain to them that you wish to cancel your credit card, and they will be happy to assist you in the process following. And there you have it. That is how you can go forward with canceling your credit card on Barclays Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.